Okay, come with me if you want to see some baby birds. The mama bird is right up there. You can see her. Yeah, she's right. That's her. She just flew off. We have seconds to do this. They're her beautiful babies. Okay, let's go. We got the little glimpse. She just flew away. I was waiting for her to do that. But, yeah. I'm just going to watch her babies grow up with her every single day. I'm going to come out here, wait till she's like not here, and do that. I feel good, but I also feel like she's going to come after me. So I'm going to go back inside. Yay! Bye!